Are you looking for the best MetaTrader 4 brokers to trade with? Hi, I'm Eric from FXEmpire.com. While many brokers offer MT4, only a few truly stand out. We've been in the Forex industry for 12 years, and just this year, we've tested 80 Forex brokers. Our thorough testing process helps us separate the best from the rest. MetaTrader 4 has long been considered the gold standard of Forex trading platforms, especially when it comes to algorithmic trading. It's packed with helpful indicators, drawing tools, chart types, and timeframes. Many brokers offer MT4 for free, making it a great choice to start your trading journey. Some brokers go the extra mile by adding additional tools and features to the standard MT4 suite, boosting your trading potential. But MT4 isn't everything. You also need reliability, a good fee structure, and more from your broker. Now don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's video, we'll show you the 6 best MetaTrader 4 brokers. These brokers not only provide MT4, but also have strong regulatory framework and great trading conditions. Each one is unique, so you're sure to find the perfect fit for your trading style. Let's get started. So how do we test and pick the best MT4 brokers? Our team consists of experienced analysts and pro traders who've been battle testing brokers for more than a decade. We use a solid, proven methodology to identify the top brokers out there. First, we make sure each broker offers free access to the MT4 platform and provides additional plugins for MT4, like AutoChartist, extra indicator packages, and social trading options. We checked if brokers support expert advisors on MT4 for algorithmic trading. We also reviewed each broker's regulations and licensing to ensure they are reliable and trustworthy. Lastly, we assessed key features like spreads, fee structure, and a range of markets to see how they stack up against the competition. If at any point during this video you'd like to explore any of the brokers for yourself, just check the description below or click the link in the top right corner to get the best offers in your region. Ready to find out who made the list? We'll start with the option for American traders, then we'll cover those for international traders. If you're in the US, TastyFX is a top MT4 broker to consider. It's the new brand name of IG US, part of the IG Group, a publicly listed broker on the London Stock Exchange that's been around since 1974. With TastyFX, US clients get access to the global Forex market with leverage and tight spreads. It's one of the few brokers in the US that offers the MT4 platform alongside its proprietary trading platform. Plus, TastyFX gives you instant access to 18 free indicators and add-ons to customize your MT4 platform. Regulated by the NFA and CFTC, TastyFX offers 82 spot Forex pairs to trade on via MT4, including major, minor, exotic, Australasian, Scandinavian, and emerging market pairs. The fees are competitive, and there's a chance to earn substantial cash rebates if you're a high-volume premium client. But TastyFX isn't just for high-volume, short-term traders. It's also great for longer-term swing traders, thanks to its top-notch market research and low swap fees. One downside we found with the broker is the lack of online chat support. Now, let's take a look at the best MT4 brokers for international traders. We rated FP Markets as our top choice for international traders. Founded in 2005 in Australia, FP Markets is a well-established leader in the Forex and CFD market. Why did it make the top spot? In addition to offering MT4 for desktop, web, and mobile, it also offers a custom-built application for using the MT4 desktop version on Mac. This is a game changer for Mac users seeking algo trading capabilities and a truly standout feature. Traders can also connect to AutoChartist trade signals via MT4 and download its MT4 Advanced Trade Assistance Apps product. These are extra indicators for MT4, including a sentiment trader indicator, correlation matrix, stealth orders, alarm manager, and a whole host of other useful trading tools. Over 10,000 tradable markets make FP Markets suitable for long-term traders and portfolio managers. The low spreads and commissions from its ECN pricing accounts also make it a top choice for short-term traders. In our tests, spreads were especially tight in indices and commodities. However, while 2 entities are licensed by top-tier regulators such as ASIC and SISEC, one drawback is that another entity is based offshore, and is unregulated, offering lower regulatory safeguards. If you're looking for low spreads when trading on MT4, Okta might be just what you need. Founded in 2011, Okta has one entity regulated by top-tier SISEC, but keep in mind that another entity operates offshore and isn't regulated, so there's less regulatory protection there. Okta provides MT4 and MT5 alongside its proprietary platform. If you've got $1,000 or more in your account, you can access the Auto Chartist plugin for MetaTrader. It gives you real-time trading signals, shows charts, patterns, and trends, and even sends you daily market reports via email. Okta offers over 220 markets, modest but powerful, covering all the popular trading instruments that you'd expect. They've got a particularly strong selection of CFDs on cryptocurrencies with more than 30 options available. In our live test, we saw spreads for trading Euro to USD at 1 pip during the London session and 0.8 pips during the US session. Both are tighter than the industry average of 1.08 pips, making Okta a solid choice for short-term traders. Plus, there are no commissions and zero overnight swap fees, keeping your costs super low. The lack of the overnight swap fee makes Okta a great option for long-term traders, letting you save more when holding positions for days or weeks. Now, if you're into algorithmic trading, then Swissquote is a top choice for you. Founded in 2000, Swissquote is a public bank based in Switzerland and listed on the SIX Swiss exchange. It is also licensed by 8 top-tier financial regulators, ensuring high-grade client protection. When it comes to auto trading, Swissquote really shines. The Swiss bank offers full auto trading capabilities via MT4 and MT5, both of which include a built-in editor to test and customize your strategies. You can download expert advisors, which are basically automated trading robots, directly from the built-in MetaTrader marketplace. The Swissquote MT4 Master Edition provides access to 15 new indicators and 12 advanced tools, such as the mini terminal for advanced portfolio management. We especially liked the correlation indicator, which makes it much easier to spot overbought and oversold markets. Swissquote gives you access to over 3 million tradable instruments, including more than 400 Forex and CFD instruments across various markets. Its average execution speed is among the fastest in the industry, around 9 milliseconds. However, it's worth noting that Swissquote has a relatively high minimum deposit requirement of $1,000. If you're an experienced trader looking for professional tools and products, FXTM is a great MT4 broker to consider. Founded in 2011 and regulated by the top-tier UK FCA, SISEC, and others, FXTM offers advanced features like copy trading tools via the MT4 platform. Their copy trading portal, FXTM Invest, lets you see rankings of different strategy managers by performance and provides a strategy manager newsfeed. Each manager has detailed performance metrics, which also help you analyze your own trading activity. Becoming a strategy manager is easy. You just need to open an Advantage account with FXTM. You can then receive a share of any profits from those following you, up to 30%. This can be an excellent way to create an extra income stream on top of your own trading performance. One downside, though, is that the spreads on the commission-free Advantage Plus account were much higher than the industry average, sometimes even double. But the Advantage account offers spreads from 0.0 pips with a competitive commission of $2.50 per lot, which is better than the industry standard and a great option for professionals, especially short-term traders. And last but not least, if you're a beginner trader, then IronFX has some great options for you. Founded in 2010, IronFX is well regulated by authorities like SISEC and the UK FCA, among others. The broker offers negative balance protection, preventing beginner traders from losing more than their account balance. There are 7 account options for beginner traders using the MT4 platform. If you're new to trading, their demo account is a great way to get used to MT4. Plus, with commission-free accounts and no minimum deposit, it is easy to start trading live with small funds. IronFX offers CFD trading on more than 500 instruments, including over 80 currency pairs through MT4. A standout feature for beginners is the IronFX School, which provides access to a large database of webinars, podcasts, trading videos, and seminars. Plus, the IronFX Auto Trade platform allows beginners to easily copy the trades of other successful traders. And that's it. If you're interested in exploring any of the brokers we discussed today, you can find all the necessary links in the description below or in the top right corner of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment below. Your feedback helps us create content that best serves you. So we'll see you in the next video.